Hey, it's the Deaf Man from Deaf Man Vinyl, here to talk with you about changing the stylus or needle in your turntable. And those two words are interchangeable. Some call it a needle, some call it a stylus. And so we're going to break this up into three parts. So first, how do I know I need a new needle? Two, how do I find the correct needle for my turntable? And three, how do I install that needle without breaking it and messing things up? So, answer to the first question, when do I need a new needle? Really, there's three kind of answers for you. One is just based on use. So we've got a total of 4 record players at our Deaf Man Vinyl brick and mortar shops in Blue Ridge. And so those are going 7 days a week, 8 hours every day. And so I just automatically, kind of as routine maintenance, replace them a couple times a year. So I doubt if anybody out there is really playing their turntable quite that long, but at least, you know, if you're playing it pretty seriously every day, at least once a year, I would think about maybe replacing that stylus. The second kind of time is it's going to tell you. You're going to start hearing something. You're going to start hearing a muffled, crackled, garbly kind of sound. The absolute worst thing that's going to happen is that stylus is going to slide all the way across the record because it's either missing or it's not there to take a bite out of the groove, and it just slides all the way across. And the third thing is when I don't know the origins of the stylus. So I've either bought a secondhand turntable, maybe at a thrift store or flea market, somebody's gifted me with it. I've taken one down out of the attic at my crazy old uncle's house, and I don't know the story of that stylus. I just automatically put a new stylus in there just to be sure, just to make sure that you're not messing up any records. So I hope you'll tune in for video 2 when we talk about how to find the correct stylus needle for your turntable. Well, until next time, this is the Deaf Man saying, keep 'em spinning.